morning from Hakuba, and it's about 8:12 now. I'm heading to the Harbour Bus Terminal. I wake up with a very nice mountain Hakuba view outside of my window. I realized that all of the houses here are quite European or westernized. I'm not sure, but it's like giving a lot of anime vibes. Look at the street behind me. I find it very romantic. I'm not romanticizing it, but I can't help it. It's so pretty. And yeah, I am going to Iwatake Mountain Resort here. Hopefully the weather forecast is correct. It will be a sunny day. And go out there and chill. Yeah. Itakimasu. It's cute. Every station or every attraction there's this shop. I've done it for Hautaka and also Azumino, so I'm doing this also when I'm in Hakuba. Information center, and she told me that I can actually buy this in advance. It's 2,700 yen for now, given that this is the off-peak season. Use this ticket to hop on the free shuttle bus to the Iwatake Mountain Resort. It also includes the gondola lift up to the mountain, to and fro, and also another lift called 5 South Lift round trip. The view behind me, Hautaka Mountain. Oh no, sorry, Hakuba Mountains. So pretty. It's a little bit foggy. So pretty still. Sugoi. Sugoi. So this is where people take their photos, because you get to see the entire mountain range. It's 9:30, I think. I may just chill here and then go down for lunch. Yeah, just 5 South Leaves round trip. Alright, let's go. Hakuba Mountain. This is me using the gondola lift going down to Hakuba bus terminal. A bit hungry now. It's like almost 12 p.m. So I'm thinking of like going down first. Yeah. Bye, Hakuba Mountains. It's been great. As a little bit context, I have actually made myself to to Japan for almost like 30 days. I'm doing a half-half kind of thing. Half of it will be moving into of the farms, and then like the remaining days I will be also traveling around. I have just completed my first wolfing farming with Aguyarama farm. So this is like considered like my first day out of the farm. My body cycle is adjusted to how my farming life was. Waking up at 6. So I actually woke up quite early today. I spent some time journaling at the place there too, like 10 days in the farm, journaling the gratitude, all the little things that I am grateful for. I want to thank myself for really like bringing myself out, putting this big foot forward to just do something very something I can't imagine myself doing back then. And then here I am in Japan, spending a month here, learning Japanese, meeting new people, just surround myself with positive vibe actually. Like surround myself with mountains and then just be genuinely happy, fresh air, morning breeze, birds chirping, and people smiling. Like they are so appreciative and also polite. And it makes you feel so good. You also want to do the same and also pay it forward. So yeah, I am very blessed for this moment. I'm also hopeful for what's ahead. I'm not sure how this sport will be like, but I will try my best to just vlog myself at this moment, to really like document down what I see, what I feel, what I observe during this trip. It's actually electric bike. It's my first time doing electric bike too. Electric bike with a dress. Wish me luck. Right here again. Itadakimasu. I'm here at this Uyoma ramen. It's quite famous. A lot of for those here, but anyways, I'm here for the sukumen. Itadakimasu. This bun from the Yama-ai shop is only took out, so I can't sit it in. But luckily, they have this picnic outdoor chairs. It's like hot buns with picked vegetables inside. I think it's good for winter season when you have super cold weather. The pumpkin one, I prefer this one than the pickled vegetables. You can feel like this is a very original pumpkin base. I recommend buying the sweet one, it's nice. Is this hakuba green spot car? Then I figure out going south is a bit too dangerous, given that I only booked for 3 hours, so I'm just gonna hang around here, look at the Hakuba mountains and the green mountains around. Yeah. So I'm actually at this Himegawa Kawa River, and that's the Hakuba mountain. I'm on the way to observation deck. Yeah, I still prefer the Hakuba Bridge Creek, the creek near the Hakuba Bridge. There's a lot of bugs here. It's not so visitor friendly, I can say. So yeah. Okay, let's go.
We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
Thanks for watching until here. Hope you also enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one.